Okay, Riley, we're going for a walkie. Yeah. All right. Hold on. Okay. Want to go for a walk? Huh? You want to go for a walk? You're so excited. Whoa! Okay, here we go. There goes the broom. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. I gotta close the door. Now you got to. What? Okay. We go for a walkie with Riley. Where'd you stop? Okay. At least it's sunny today. No rain. I like it when it rains at night rather than during the day. Because this dog, she needs to get out and sniff the ground. You guys have that problem with your dogs? They want to get out, but they really just want to sniff the ground? Whoops. And more sniffings. Right, Riley? Riley, huh? Lots to sniff. There's a lot of scent out here because I live near the woods. All kinds of things come into the yard. Rabbits, deer, and I'm sure there's a coyote out there somewhere too. That's why the fence. Gotta sniff, 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 sniff. Sniff, sniff, sniff. Should make up a song for sniff, sniff, sniff. Sniff, sniff, sniff. Where is it? Yeah, right here. There's a good path right into the woods. Just have to clear some branches off, because this is a trail deer make. Yay! And it begins. Okay. We'll see you later. Eating grass, huh, Riley? Yeah. You like the taste of it, huh? What is it? You're not the only one that likes to eat the grass. Yeah. Only here in the south is there grass still growing. Oh, it's a nice sunny day. Nice sunny day, blue sky so far. Nice day. Sunshine. Some real sunshine. For the next few days, it's going to be clouds and rain. So the weather says, anyway. Well, I still have a hard time with this. Huh. We're still at it. To be continued. Oh, look at, what are you sniffing at, huh? I know there's moles under the ground there. It gets eerie when dogs act like they're following a trail. After all, she's a hound. She's nothing but a hound dog. Right up, Riley. Boy, she's hot on the trail. Wonder what she's on the trail for. Moles? Maybe cats? I haven't seen any rabbits at this time. What is it? What is it you see? Smell. Okay. She's still sniffing. Do you guys ever get this when you walk your dogs too? They always want to sniff. Sniff, sniff, rather than walk. But there's a lot of scent on the ground there. You never know what they're smelling, because they have keener sense of smell than we do. You're hot on the trail of something. She's hot on the trail. Wonder what it is. She keeps marking spots every so often. The tree? Maybe so. There's something up the tree? Just check and see. No, there's nothing up in the tree. I don't see anything. It's not raining. Why do you shake? Alrighty. See you later. Boy, Riley made me drop my phone. I hope it's still working. I guess it's working. Riley saw something and, well, my phone fell on the ground. Yeah, you silly goose. Yeah. Come on, Riley. Let's go get some lunch, huh? Wanna go get some lunch, baby? Yep, the broom fell on the ground. Oh. All right, we're inside. Huh? You want a snack? You want a snack? Hold on, Riley. Hold on. Sit. Wait. Cooking some chicken here. Yum, yum, yum. They love it. Look at all that. Yes. Okay. I guess I better turn it off. Okay. Right, you gotta sit. You gotta sit. You gotta sit. No, I didn't say lie down. Sit. I said sit, not lie down. Ready? Down. Good boy, girl. Sniffing for more chicken, huh? You want more chicken? Don't you want to save some for the other dogs? Huh? And you want to save some for the other dogs? Yeah. Yes. You see anything? Boy, you move, and you're 3.5 years old. You're gonna be 4 in June. Yeah. Yeah, I've seen you since you were 5 months old. Okay, are we ready? Yes. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Riley. Bye-bye.